Hi.
How can we help you?
So I'm a new client.
All right. Well, my name is Chrissy. I'm one of the receptionists. Blair is another one of our receptionists. And here at the front desk, we'll be the first people that when you call in, you'll be talking to us, and we look forward to helping you. Blair, do you mind taking him on a tour and letting him see how things operate here?
Oh, absolutely. You can follow me.
Thank you.
Over here, I'd like to introduce you to Lisa Afami. She is our office manager and George Fleming's assistant.
Ah, so who's George Fleming?
Right over here, I'll actually introduce you to him. George Fleming is our founder for Fleming-Nolen-Jez here at our law firm.
Well, hello. Welcome to Fleming-Nolen-Jez. We're glad to have you here. My name is George Fleming, and we have assembled a group of really spectacular people to represent you in your litigation. We're in it to win it when we take on your case, and we'll do just that.
And I have a few other areas I would like to show you around here in the office. This would be our intake department. As a new client, these would be the persons whom you would speak to have your records received and evaluated before we get your case filed. When you have any questions, they actually will be the ones who will be able to assist you and get those questions answered. Once your case is filed, this is the area of the office who takes over the work. This is attorney Barrett Beck. His face actually might look familiar. He's been on our social media, and he's one of our attorneys for trucking accidents. This is Sean's paralegal, Lana. Lana, what are some of the cases you've been working on?
I'm currently working on Hair Relaxer, Exact Tech, and a few other dockets.
Next, I'll take you over here. Here I have Dilma, who works on the 3M earplugs. You probably have even spoken with her on the phone. David's paralegal is Selena. And here I have Jessica, and she works with the Harvey as well as the Camp Lejeune.
Oh, Blair, would you please take this to Pam for me?
Of course. Here at Fleming-Nolen-Jez, we all do teamwork, and we're practically family. Right here, I have Kara. She is one of our hernia mesh assistants. Kara, what is it you're working on?
I'm actually preparing the short form complaints for all of our barred clients.
Thank you. This is Pam. She is Rand's paralegal. Jessica actually asked me to give this to you.
Oh, thank you so much, Blair. I appreciate your help.
This is our office services area. This is where we handle the mass emails and mailouts that happen here in our office for the litigation process. I'll just take you over here. This is our accounting department. When we reach a settlement, the checks are actually processed and taken care of here. If a check needs to be verified, we actually will get the call and we will send it to this department.
Thanks so much for stopping by and learning a little bit more about our office and how we work.
We truly have a talented team here. You can find updates on our litigation online under our Active Mass Actions tab or on our blog.
Or you're always welcome to call us. We'll be happy to answer any questions that you might have and look forward to hearing from you.